Optimum blood glucose monitoring system with advanced diabetes management system. For first-time use, setting up the glucose meter by date and time. By pressing M button to advance the number until the number you want. By pressing S button to enter until the date and time fully set. You may choose 12-hour or 24-hour zone. And you're ready to go. Before testing, wash your hands thoroughly with warm soapy water rinse. First, twist off lancing device cover by gently turning it counterclockwise until it stops. Keep the cap to one side as we'll need it again in a minute. Inserts lancet into the lancet carrier. Push the lancet into the device. Twist lancet's needle cover full turn until it separates. Remember to use a new sterile lancet each time you obtain. Save the lancet needle cover for lancet removal and disposal. Place the lancing device cover onto the device, turn clockwise to secure the cover. Optimum lancing device has 5 depths of settings to allow for personal comfort. Just turn the adjustable tip, make sure the arrow pointing desired settings. 1 is the shallowest and 5 is the deepest shallower finger puncture. Slowly pull the sliding barrel away from the lancing device cover until you hear a click. Optimum test strips for single use only. Check the expiry before you use. After you take out the test strip from the vial, immediately close the vial tightly to avoid contamination and damage. Now we can prepare the meter for testing. Take one of your Optimum test strips, facing you when you place into the strip port, and the device will turn on. Position the end of the adjustable comfort tip to your finger. Press trigger button. Gently squeeze your finger until you get a round drop of blood. Apply the blood into top edge. Make sure the top edge is applied enough blood sample. The result will be counting from 5 to 1. After the test, remove the test strips by sliding the eject until the test strips comes out of the device. Remember, dispose the lancets by your protective cover before removing the lancet. For proper disposal, place the lancet protective cover on a hard surface, and then pushes the lancet tip into the protective cover. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after handling the glucose meter and lancing device. Thank you for watching.
Optimum. Be part of you.